Hello, my name is Duane Buchholz, and in this video I'm going to be showing a bit of a longer demonstration on how I put together my CS122A final project, which involves an RC car that has two modes, self-driving and user-driven. So the first step to getting these things to work is you're going to want to power on your master Bluetooth chip, and you're also going to want to power on your slave Bluetooth chip module, and then you'll see here that the lights blink really fast until they pair, and then after they pair they blink rather slowly and they blink synchronously, which means that you've successfully paired the chips. So after pairing these two Bluetooth modules, I turn on the other power supply, which is, this is 7 volts that's going to go to our motor drivers, because although our Atmega 1284s and our Bluetooth chips run off of this 5-volt power supply, the motors prefer to work between a 7 to 10 volt range, which just gives it more power to drive itself. So yeah, after these have been successfully paired, which they have, you can see over here I have a joystick for user inputs, and I have a Nokia 5110 LCD display, which will show the current speed, the current mode, if it's either user control or self-driven, and the direction. So right now it's not moving at all, thus no direction. But if we start driving it, like forwards or backwards, or if we say turn around this course and drive it around, you will see that on our LCD display as we drive it, you'll see a speed and a display. So yeah. Additionally, there's also a auto drive feature, so if I can just position the car over here, and then if we press the joystick inwards, you'll see it switch to auto drive, and right over here we can see how that drives along this line somewhat. Like right here, it tries to follow it best it can, and it's not perfect because the sensors had some degree of error in their data. However, it does somewhat follow the line as planned, and that's pretty good. So additionally for this project, if you check out chassis and everything that I've implemented here, so basically this 7 volt supply sends 7 volts to our motor drivers, so this guy and the other motor driver hidden in there. And basically the way the car powers itself is one motor driver controls the right side of the car and the other motor driver controls the other side of the car. So this helps when implementing turning, because you can tell one side of the car to spin faster than the other, or if you want even sharper turning, you can tell one side of the car to spin backwards while the other side of the car spins forwards to get a much more like rotational turn, just like spinning in place, which can give you a lot better turning radius. So yeah, and then additionally these little IR sensors on the side, I don't know if you can see them there, the red one is the emitter and the yellow one is the receiver. So that means that one of them is emitting IR light and the other one is receiving it, and that, based off of how much it reflects off of the surface, tells it whether it should be turning or not turning, like if it has gone over this reflective surface or not, in which case it should turn away from it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you can also just see the display on the Nokia over here. So yeah, I would say overall this was a pretty cool project. I'd say I learned a lot about Bluetooth and putting things together, and if you have any questions, I'd say just put them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them best I can. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.